Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Montgomery County in southwestern Iowa, Mills County in southwestern Iowa, western Pottawatomie County in southwestern Iowa, northeastern Sarpy County, southeastern Douglas County, until 2:15 a.m. At 1:24 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Omaha to 5 miles east of Council Bluffs to Glenwood, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include eastern Omaha, Council Bluffs, Bellevue, Glenwood, Oakland, Malvern, Trainer, Underwood, Carson, Pacific Junction, Emerson, Macedonia, Carter Lake, Crescent, Silver City, Henderson, Hastings, McClellan, Old Town Park, and Lake Manawa State Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 29 between mile markers 37 and 61. Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 1 and 20. Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 452 and 454. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 a.m. for the following counties in Nebraska, Douglas and Sarpy, and the following counties in Iowa, Mills, Montgomery, and Pottawatomie.